Alright, hello. Welcome to my third TouchDesigner slash work process tutorial. In the background you can see the pixel distortion effect that I posted on my Instagram. There's a couple more tweaks that I need to make to it, and the tutorial will probably be out tomorrow. In the meantime, I thought I'd just talk to you regarding how I set up my work to post to Instagram, what programs I use to make your life a little bit more easier when uploading to Instagram. Starting off with the project container. I like to use a 1280 by 1280 width and height, as most posts on Instagram uses the square format, unless you are uploading via Instagram TV, and I do believe the resolution will be a bit different there. If we just go back into the project container, there's a couple of ways that you can render out a video on TouchDesigner. Lots of people like to add a movie file out top, such as that, and then here you can change it to either image or movie, and change a couple of the settings here. And I do believe that can help you render out in real time if you uncheck that box. I like to use the simple export movie. If you just drag and drop that one in there, and then your audio device out, just drag there, and then you can just render out your videos quite simply that way. When I started using TouchDesigner, I did have a couple of trouble with figuring how much frames to use, but there is a very useful website called zapstudio.net/frame calc, and on here you can just type in, say a video is going to be, I don't know, 1 minute 53 seconds at 30 frames a second is 3,390, and then if you just times that by 2, that's 6780, and that's what you type into that box there, and also to that box there. Yeah, I mean, it's simple. Obviously, if you're just going to do a 10-second render at 30 frames a second, just to try and calculate that in your head, I guess. So after I render out or export the movie, that would usually be to my desktop, which is obviously going to be very messy. Not too messy. And then I like to use a program called Adobe Premiere Rush. I just find it's a lot easier just to load up, and then you can actually connect your social media accounts to it and upload via that as well. So once it starts up, I'll talk you through what I like to use. Again, my laptop is very slow. Okay, so for instance, just open up this project. Okay, obviously move the file somewhere. Let's back out of that. Okay, yeah, I've moved all the files around. That's going to make it interesting. So if we just create a new one from like so, whatever this is. Right. Again, it's just a very simplified version of a movie maker, really, or a very simplified version of Premiere. I just do tend to find it's a lot more easier to use for very short videos that don't require that much editing. You can separate the audio and add audio effects, or add very simple transitions which is just, very nice to do if you're going to upload something quick to Instagram. Settings wise, under orientation, I always use square. Again, that just gives you a square landscape to add to Instagram for their square tile things that they do on there. Then you can press share here, and you can just sign into your YouTube to publish it directly to that. Facebook as well. Instagram, for some reason, doesn't work very well on here. So what I always do is export the video, and then as I have a MacBook, you can either, if you had a PC for example, with the right cable for your laptop, you can connect your phone or device and then save it onto your phone or whatever you're using to upload. I don't have a wire for my phone, so what I tend to do is save it to my Google Drive, like so, and then download it from my phone onto my phone from my Google Drive, and then it's good to upload to Instagram. So yeah, that's really how I upload all my stuff. Also stay tuned for tomorrow, where I'll be releasing this cool effect here. Don't know if you, as my laptop's very laggy, I don't know if it'll look that well, but that's the effect we're going for. So yeah, if there's any questions, just shoot me over a message on my Instagram or in the comments below. And yeah, stay tuned for more tutorials and work processes. Thank you.